Ay,
Build the map.
wag
Build the house. Not map.
wag mo sayangin yung wood.
House.
Wag mo sayangin yung wood.
Diba nga, I build a map.
Oh my goodness. I already found rare stuff. There's a house.
You found the
There's
ruby.
2,000.
Ikaw pa nagtutoothbrush dun siya na yan eh.
Nagtubos na ako.
Toothbrush. Ikaw nga tumatayo din, paano ang toothbrush?
Mailip sa kanya.
Umihi ako.
Bro, we need 10 scrap.
Sigurado ka?
Aya, we need 10 scrap. Just to
Yes.
upgrade one more.
You found the ruby chest.
No,
What do you found?
normal chest. I have flashlight.
Bro, there's a wolf. Help me, bro.
Let's
Yes.
run back to the base.
Bro.
You dead.
I found a wolf pelt. Is only mine.
There's another house.
No. I found a wolf pelt.
I found the first missing person.
Buksan mo, papasuki ako. Papasuki ako. Papasuki ako.
Uy, bakit ka nandito?
Why?
Ito na agad yung items ko. I found the first missing person.
Please be good sack.
Good sack naman yun.
Good sack.
Oh, sabi ko na, diba? Sino ba tong born na to?
Bro, stop. Stop. Ano yun? Hindi ko nakakapunta dito. Oh, there's a wolf again.
Nakakaanak kang wolf pelt, give it to me.
There's a wolf.
Kung nakahanap kang wolf pelt, give it to me.
I'm about gonna die. Oh, I found the
Run back
first
to the
person.
base. You sneaky loser. And I found rifle ammo. And I'm gonna go back to the base. Might be a bunny foot.
Bunny.
Oh, found one! Ah! The part trader is pro. Make some food now.
Oopsie, I eat it. Sorry about that. Because
There's carrots. Make me more food because I'm super hungry.
okay.
I
Okay.
upgraded the.
Bro! I need a lot of food.
Bro, we need a crock pot. For a crock pot, we need 10 scrap. We only have 4 scrap.
Bro, because you sayang it.
Because I upgraded the campfire, you sneaky loser. Don't worry. I have to chop wood now.
No, I just
Bro, I said to get food.
I'm just finding some food, bro. I'm just
I
finding.
eat raw meat.
Why you eat raw meat?
Because you did not pack up food for me.
I'm sorry. Because I ate it all.
And I'm gonna die. I died. And I lived. I'm just joking.
I found a lot of food, okay?
I almost died.
My wolf.
I'm in red right now. I almost died.
I found all the food.
Vegan food yan.
Madami.
Coming back. I said to upgrade the campfire.
You said to upgrade the campfire.
Upgrade the campfire now.
Night is approaching. Because I'm finding some wood.
Or else I'm gonna trap you in the radar.
I died!
How did you die?
Because of my hunger.
Anong hunger, wolf?
Alive.
Don't stop my food.
That's my food, okay? Don't pick up my wool belt.
Hindi iwan na yan, John.
No. Pick up the food.
Pick up not the food. Dead. Bakit? Ay!
Just
Patay ako
run,
dito. Ulit
bro.
tayo. Meron sila. Maratip na.
Just... Koy, bakit mo dyan nilagay? Yung pagkain, yung wolf belt ko.
Andiyan, ang katabi mo.
Why?
Hiya.
Why the chicken is on the crafting table?
Yung chicken.
Ito, oh. Bro, just find me a hospital.
Ano hospital ba?
Bande din the hospital.
The campfire is in 67%.
Because of you, I finding some food. Because I finding food all day.
Kung pasasampakin kita dyan. Kaya I said to upgrade the campfire.
You said pick up some food.
Upgrade the campfire. I need to find some fuel and band-aid for a little brato.
For little stinky brat.
Natutulog ka dyan?
Oo.
Ay.
Diba nga, patay na. Tingnan mo pa yung ano ko, yung pet ko.
Ha?
Yung pet ko.
Nakaano?
Nakaganon.
Sasamparin ko yan.
Sige, tuloy mo lang sampalin to.
Sa game, sabi ko be. Ay,
Sige, try mo lang sampakin to ano ko.
uod. So much?
Bro!
Hindi wala pa nahanap na ano. Ano ka ba? Meron na ako nahanap na chest. Pero yung sa loob uod. Please be banned. Please. Just to save a little Bratos Kid Ufi.
That's my...
Just give when you
Uy,
want.
just...
Just give. Just, ano ba? Kasi ayaw ko mo. Just give when you want to.
I'm just gonna leave.
Because you are big, big brother. No, 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 no. I'm just joking.
Wag niya! Hospital!
Sige, dadalhin kita sa first person. Maingin ka. Dami ko. Bakit ka nandyan? Hindi ko na malikod. Talaga? Andun ka sa may grinder. Sila yun naman. Namatay si Aya, kawawa naman. Aya, don't worry, I'm gonna find a band-aid. I found a chest! Okay, the armor.
Kilala kasi itong or. Kita, open my orange.
Kaya I did not still find a band-aid.
Pa!
Okay.
Yan, mamaya. Lagi lang. Tapos na. Hindi. Tapos na. Yan, ano na.
The bit is
Kaya na pa lang ako. Ba't yung nalipagpapa?
ice. Yeah, just
Kaya na. Kaya na. Kaya mo na pala yung open eh. Talaga. Bubuli ka lang eh.
Oh yeah.
Meron kaya tayo ni Papa.
Hindi. Ayoko.
We will be attacked tonight.
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo
Ayaw,
na
we will be
mag-game.
attacked.
Ayoko. Hanggang gabi na.
Yeah, we will be attacked tonight.
What about me? You don't have katulong.
Kakainin ka.
My wool pa.
I just found the next person.
Ha?
Yes, it's true. I found the hospital, finally! It's close to the next person. And the door is on the next person. I need to save the next person.
What the Dino Kid?
Bro, pwede naman talaga yun.
The Dino Kid. You saved the Dino Kid.
This one
Just,
is not even moving.
you just saved the Dino Kid, bro.
I just found the band-aid. Oh, this is the wrong one. No, it's not the wrong one.
It's not the
Finally,
hospital.
I found the key. And later na yan kasi you need to save Aya first. Because it's the giant move. Ay! I'm gonna die! I died. With only Alpha. Restart!
No. I'm just gonna leave, bro.
Sige.
Parang ano si AJ.
Please na. You just died to a normal iPhone. Chap 3 now.
Still there.
Buhay ka naman, Uri ah.
I'm still there.
Baga ka dyan magutom sa may din, tapos patay ka nga.
Anong bawal mo dito? Hindi nga gumagalaw kaya hindi maano yung hunger ko.
Bro, chop wood now. Upgrade the campfire.
Okay.
Upgrade the campfire. Upgrade the campfire. Bigisan mo. Or else patay ka akin. My bag is full. Please, band-aid. Come on. Spear? Spear? Blacksmith. I'm coming home. What? Yeah.
Bro, I'm exploring.
Yeah, the campfire.
I just found the first person!
I know. When the campfire's out, we are in big trouble. The campfire's out.
Yeah, I can save the next person, bro.
Huh?
Because there, the next person.
What? Where?
Here, the first person.
And where's the next person?
I don't know.
You said?
Come over here.
Hindi pa natin yan kaya. Just literally 5 wolves. But I have a spear. Kaya natin yan only with your axe. Takang upgrade ko lang yung campfire. Malapit na. Diyan ka lang tumayo.
Naghanap ng chest.
Uy, diyan ka lang. Sabi ko, isasave natin.
Night is approaching, bro.
Malapit na yung campfire. 99%.
Please be good.
Okay.
Oh, I got a good apple.
And where are you?
That is so annoying.
Bro. I'm gonna save the first person.
Bro, we are not.
I have a spear. Top spear I found a wolf pet. Bro, there's only 2 wolves here. Bro, just kailangan mo ko tulungan kasi I'm in. Look at my health, please. Look at my health. I just killed 3 wolves.
It's only one wolf.
Yes, only 1. You need to kill that. You need to kill
I'm
that.
gonna grab the first person, okay?
You need to kill that. I mean, go health. This one. Kill that. Still gonna
Yan. Ma, sa'yo.
Uy, akin na yung first person, ha?
I'm just gonna open the chest.
No.
I found a blaster, but only 6 ammo.
Bro!
Bro! Bigay my wolf pelt.
Ha?
Day 2. Ayan, sundan me!
Wait.
Dito!
I found a revolver.
Me too. Here, you already see me. Here, follow me here.
Sige.
Oh.
Sige.
If I figure out where even are you? Yes. The test starts tonight.
Hell.
Maghahantay kang ako dito only tonight. I find me a bunny foot now. Why are you kicking away? Said the bunny foot. My bunny foot. My bunny foot.
Jay, mami matawag.
Si Gogo Jun. Si Gogo Jun. Hindi ko nasagot.
Loto. Lumabas na si mama. Lumabas. Kay Kuya Tarzan. Sige.
I found a bunny.
Sige to.
Helpful. Bro, I'm hungry. Make some food.
We just found the first person in day 1.
Saan yung first person? I said, find me a bunny foot because it will be night time.
Ma,
Bilisan mo na.
katulad daw kay Kuya Tarzan.
Ayan, bilisan mo. 3 seconds.
Katulad daw kay Kuya Tarzan. Sabi din yun eh.
Aya, bunny foot. Aya, saan na wolf pelt ko? Saan na wolf pelt ko?
Sabi ba yun?
Saan na wolf pelt
May
ko?
sinabi siya pangalan, di ko naintindihan.
Ano?
May sinabi siya pangalan, di ko
Huwag mo
naintindihan.
kunin yung wolf pelt ko. Wolf pelt. Jeez!
Bakit ko kukunin yung...
Aya, it's
No.
starting.
It's...
Oh no, I've missed.
Why?
Sorry. I'm super sorry.
Why do you press that?
I'm super sorry, I said. I said I'm super sorry.
Rude.
I said I'm super sorry. Huwag ka nang galit. I just said I'm super sorry. Hard mode now, active. Hard mode now, active. Bro, make some food now because I'm starving. Okay. My hunger's going down. I found this. My hunger. Boom, boom, boom. Or eat. Now I'm not starving. Found a blueprint. Where are you? Coming. Ooh, sheesh! You upgrade it. Gagawin ako dun. Dito. Bro, a new reef has been opened. We need to close that. Follow me.
The
Reef has been opened.
map? We need to close the map?
Rift! Follow me.
That's
see
why.
Me? You see me in the map?
Oh, yeah.
Tagal naman nito. Kailangan natin i-close every reef. Sundan mo ako, meron ako sa'yo bibigay na pagkain. Hungry ka ba?
Yes.
Saan ka na?
Tulog.
Ayaw, watch out!
Ouch.
Here we go. Here we go. MRE. Kainin mo yan. Tignan mo mayayari. Pindot mo ang yung screen.
Okay. Ay, pindot it. Hunger mo, tignan mo.
Bro, ha? Handa mo na yung axe. Sisira mo dapat yung purple trees. Sisira mo dapat. Wala akong good axe eh. Ito na, Aya. Sirain mo na to. Ito. I'm inside of the tree. Nasa-loob ako ng tree. Now, ayun! Here goes the first tree. Next one. 8%. Ay! Close rift. Yan pa lang yung na-close natin. Good job.
Bye.
Why did you say bye?
Because I'm hungry.
Why are you hungry? Why are you hungry? Because you died?
No.
Yes. For the corrupted chest. I found a ruby chest! What is inside?
Wow.
Corrupted gun? Aya, I found a corrupted
Where
gun.
are you? The ruby chest.
But iba kulay.
In the house.
Yes, iba kulay.
Anong kulay?
Purple siya para siyang ruby chest. Purple na
Ano yung
parang
nakuha mo?
corrupted gun. Saan?
Please be good.
Ano nakuha mo?
Sagutin mo na.
Siguro dyan mo.
Corrupted.
Sagot mo na, Jay.
Opo.
Oo.
Kaming ba?
Corrupted gun sa akin.
Akin din. Hanap pa tayo. Dito,
Malala mo.
sundan mo ako. Sa may mapa, dito ako pumupunta. Dito ako pumupunta.
Ano ko,
Doon na ako.
wala pa siyang mahiraman eh. Mali yata
Dito
yung
ka,
nakita
diba?
niya eh. Mali yung ano.
Ay, hindi.
Naghahanap pa siya
Ayan
sa
na,
labas.
open mo waga to. Hindi to corrupted.
Oo.
Hindi to corrupted.
Ito.
Pero may wolf na sinusundan ako.
Ito.
Kaya wag na yan. Kasi, ano yan, pinuksan mo na yan eh.
Ito, sige.
Maghanap pa tayo.
Pag pinahiram.
Yeah, just don't move.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's easy to make
What?
food.
Punta ka. Aya, kailangan mo yan i-close. Kailangan natin yan i-close.
Really?
Oo, na-open. Si Mina ba? Pupunta ako dyan sa campfire. Kasi malapit na. Here. Dito daw eh.
I'm just opening the chest.
Bro, ano?
Pinahiram ka ba, ma?
Ayan, nasira na natin tong reef eh.
O, tawagan mo si Tito. Gusto kasi nila, balalamove pa eh pag pinahiram eh.
Ayan na, open na natin. Yung tinatanong pa rin dito doon. What did you get?
I got the axe.
Anong axe?
Crafted axe.
Ako nakuha ko throwing axe.
Ako din eh.
Tignan mo.
Wala.
Kung ginamit mo to, ayaw na.
Wala eh. Wala naman si Berting eh. Oo. Wala Kakasabi, wala daw doon sa kanya.
Ayan, pumunta ka sa location ko. Kasi
Just wait.
kailangan mo to kunin yung mga dogs.
I'm finding the chest.
Saan yun?
Meron ako sa ibibigay. Huwag ka dyan sa
Sabi
CR. Meron ako sa ibibigay. Huwag ka dyan sa CR.
Bulldog.
Ano ba yan?
Sak na. Bro, ito. Bro, ito. Ano sa
Para
ka ba?
sa...
Ito, leaderboard. At kunin mo yung mga wolves dito. Magapit kang naman ako.
Wala daw dun eh.
Kunin mo yung mga wolves dito. Papapatay na yan eh.
Ano mo si Bertie?
Gawin mo yung field. Tapos mayroon na akong pupuntahan.
Wala.
Ay, ako wrap ba yung chest na inopen mo?
Yung kable yun eh.
Hindi. Hindi.
Ito, okra.
Yung ano, Meralco.
Ha? Na-open ko na yan eh.
Hindi ko na-open
Hoy,
yung crab.
hoy. Parang nakakalimot sa oras ah. Yung tapos niya na, 1:40 na.
Tita, wait lang. Wala na nag-read. Nandiyan pa ba ako sa game? Bang. We need to give.
Wala daw dun kay
Nag-grab ka pa ng compass. Grab a blaster. No. Yes, you have! Hey! Long time to recharge. Kick them. Andiyan pa ba ako sa game? Wala na. Ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Antayin ko na lang. Wala rin alam ko si Kay eh.
Yung kampayo. Ano ba ako sa game? May food. May food. Kunin mo. Hungry ka.
Siguro ano,
Bakit?
no? Nagtutubig.
Aya, may food. Aya, awayin mo. Aka na, marunong ako.
Mabato-bato na ano.
Hindi, dapat nasa baba ka. Ayun, last one. Last one. Hindi, wala na. Patay na yan yung Patay na yan. Ay, patay na. Yung gem. I-shred mo. Hindi ka gagawin sa shred. Yung gagawin sa may shelf. Bro, you're hungry! That's okay. Bro, you're starving.
Noong oras pa makatulog.
Bro, you're starving! Ano?
Traffic kayo. Nandito na daw eh. Sa ano, Maligaya Bank.
You found the
Ano na
next
yan,
person? No. Gagib na ako, diba? Ayaw niya pa.